We have big news here coming out of Oracle this hour. The company just announcing it is moving its headquarters from Silicon Valley to Austin, Texas. Joining us now on the Fast Line is Texas Governor Greg Abbott. Governor Abbott, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, Melissa. Honor to be with you.
So now it's Oracle. Before it was Tesla's Cybertruck factory, and Elon Musk himself personally is moving to Texas. What are you doing to attract these companies? A lot of tax breaks?
Sure. So I would say that this is big news unto itself, but in context of everything else, you talked about Elon Musk, you talked about Tesla. Remember, we just had the announcement about Hewlett Packard Enterprise. We also just had the announcement last month about the Fortune 500 company CBRE moving its headquarters to Texas. And then next month, we have the formal opening of the Charles Schwab headquarters moved to the Dallas area. And so this has turned into an absolute tidal wave. For some, they are businesses that have had operations here, and they've enjoyed the operations here. Oracle has had a 37-acre campus in Austin, Texas, for several years now. I've been dealing with Safra Catz for more than a decade now. Safra and I have a good relationship, but of course, moving in business headquarters is more than just that one relationship. They are looking for a state that gives them the independence, the autonomy, and the freedom to chart their own course. And those are word choices used by people like Safra Catz, used by people like Elon Musk. Elon is elated to be here. He and I talk on a virtually a weekly basis, and he loves the freedom that he has in Texas, whether it be Tesla or SpaceX or the other enterprises that he is involved in.
I'm sure he loves a lower tax rate as well, as many other entrepreneurs do. You know, Governor Abbott, it's funny because back in May, I spoke to Governor Gavin Newsom of California, and I asked him if he was worried about Elon Musk leaving California in any way, shape, or form. And he said that he was not worried at all. Should he be? Are you on the phone with other Silicon Valley companies courting their business?
I've been on the phone on a weekly basis with CEOs across the country, and it's not just California. There are other states, and I'm sure that you guys have seen that I've been in negotiations with the Nasdaq, with companies that do business with the Nasdaq in their trading operations. And so we're working across the board because the times of COVID have exposed a lot. They've exposed the ability that you really don't have to be in Manhattan, for example, in order to be involved in the trading business or the investment business. We're getting a lot of investment leaders from the New York region, New Jersey region, as well as from the California region that are moving to the state of Texas. And that's just the investment sector, the tech sector, et cetera. Yep. So cost of business means a lot. No income tax means a lot. But also the freedom to operate without the heavy hand of regulation means a lot.
Governor Abbott, we appreciate your time. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you all. Take care.
Governor Greg Abbott of Texas on this news that Oracle is moving its headquarters to Texas.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.